So whether you're a Bengali or not, you must be fond of Saraswati Puja. And you must be thinking, only 5 products? The answer is yes. I created it as a beginner and you can do it too. You absolutely can't do it if you don't follow these steps. And I guarantee you, you will look like a goddess. So as you can see that I have done nothing to my face now, just face wash, toning and moisturizing. I'm gonna use only 5 products and all of them will be very much beginner friendly. They will not be, very much complicated to use. I will be trying to use as less number of brushes as possible. I will try to create the look with only the beauty blenders so yeah, let's start. I'm going to use the same Ruby's Organics Skin Tint Foundation and shake the bottle. Use any foundation that you have and I'll be taking 4 to 5 pumps of it, like this much quantity, not more than that. Dot it on my face. I'm gonna take the rest and apply it on my neck because it's important to match your foundation with your neck, And now I'm gonna take the damp beauty blender. Always dampen your beauty blender. Always make sure to dab the product like this, do not drag it on your face. Doesn't matter if you have dry skin or oily skin. The rule of applying foundation is just this only. You can drag your foundation down your neck like that, but not your face, obviously. I must tell you guys, this foundation is very hydrating, this Ruby's Organics one. It's a bit on the expensive side, but it's so damn good. So the products are the foundation and the concealer. I have considered it as one product only because they go together, And if you don't have dark circles, you can skip the concealer. And then I have also considered a lip and cheek tint, which I'm going to be using as my blush, a lipstick, a highlighter, and a mascara and a kajal. That's it. There will be in total 5 products. Alright, I think it's good and foundation is done. Now let's do the concealer. I'm telling you guys, don't make this look so much, artificial or something like that. It will not look very flattering. So I'm gonna be using a little bit. This is a very, pigmented highlighter, to be honest, and it's a kind of a highlighting shade for me. It's a lot lighter for my skin tone, and I use very little bit here, then here, same here, and here, this part, and this. So take a small beauty blender like this, taking it all over my eyelid. Blend it very well, Take your time. Do not do it fast. Blend it very slowly. The ultimate look will surprise you. It will make you happy. Don't freak out from this whiteness. It will go away when I add some colors. Don't worry. Remember not to take the concealer down this part. Keep it only in this region because it will make your face look way too flat then. Take whatever you have and blend it towards this temple region. I have a bit of a hooded eye in this right eye, to be honest. This eye is very good. It's not hooded at all. I am taking it and putting the extra concealer on the areas that are nearer to this region. I'm not taking it too much in this part, as you can see. Blending techniques that will help you achieve a well-balanced look. I will blend the nose part the last because I have a very dark mark from my glasses and I wanna, conceal it totally. It looks so bad. Normally, in general, when I don't apply makeup, then though it's fine. But when I don't, it looks so weird. Keep it only in this region. Do not drag it down in this area. This will look so bad. Only keep it on the tip. And now for this part. This is so tricky. Don't take it all the way down here. Only keep it in here on the bridge of your nose like that. Okay, let's use my big one to blend everything out evenly. This is important. This will give you the most natural finish. And this is the point from which creases start to form, and that's why you need to set everything with setting powder or compact, whatever you have. I have something that I use as setting powder but which is not actually setting powder. I will show you what it is. It works exactly like setting powder. It's a big secret. Can you see how flawless the base looks when you do the right things? Like, so good, guys. Alright, mission accomplished, girls. Smooth and even base. Now no more talking. Quickly set it with the powder. So I have this baby powder by Mom's Co. It's also an organic, all natural company, and this is their powder. It is so fine, it's just like setting powder. It's so finely milled. Take your puff and squeeze it like this. Take some powder on it. Do the magic. Also make sure that you don't have any creases on this part. If you do, then take your damp beauty blender and make it even again. So do not worry. I look funny, to be honest. Do not put it on the cheek area. We are gonna keep it dewy like this. See this area? You have to do it according to your own face shape. I have an oval face shape, so I'm gonna be doing it like this. And where else? This part, because this part gets way too, oily and it gets a bit weird. It's fine if you happen to have a powder brush, but if you don't, this is the way. Take your powder puff again and dust it off. Do not keep it for long, we're not going to be doing baking. Just like that. See, this also gives you this line around this area. If you're using contour, then it's also fine, Now you will understand how beautiful it turns out. So yeah, we have done everything. We have put foundation, concealer, and we have set everything else. Okay, let me tell you something. If you do not have setting powder or if you do not want to use this baby powder thing, because it's white, it's purely white, so it will suit fair to light skin tones. If you're of medium or dark skin tone, then I will suggest you to buy a banana powder. There are many affordable options available in the market. There's banana powder by Mars, Insight, and many more brands that are very much affordable. So go for it. Okay, let's do our eyebrows next. This is the eyebrow pencil and this is the spoolie. This is the pencil. It's a very good one. It's by Swiss Beauty. First I brush my hair down like this. It's pretty much okay at this point. I don't need to fill it that bad. But yeah, a little bit, I guess. Do not overpower any look, okay? Try to keep everything smooth and natural, blended and cohesive, I'm gonna brush it upwards and I'm gonna be filling this little gap. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well. Also, when I was younger, I didn't have a lot of eyebrows, guys. It's very recently that I started trimming my brows at home. I do not go on parlors and I am so scared of that stuff, to be honest. This arch looks a bit higher than this one. That's okay. Brows are also done, guys. And now I'm going to be moving on to the blushing and a little bit of eyeshadowing part. And I'm going to do it without any eyeshadow. I'm going to show you how. So this is the lip and cheek tint by Just Herbs. You can take any lip and cheek tint of your choice. If you have blush, you can also use that. So I'm gonna be doing this thing. As you can see, gonna take a little bit more, because otherwise it is not gonna show up, guys. And I'm gonna blend it like this. I told you I'm not gonna be using any brush today, only my hands. I do not take it all the way up here, because I have an oval face shape and it will look more longer, that I don't want. Same thing, doing the same. Lip and cheek tint helps you achieve a control over your product, and then use beauty blender to blend it all nice and smooth. Alright guys, I think that's it. It looks good. Now take the same thing, lip and cheek tint, put it on your eyelids. As you can see, a little bit more, and keep it at your outer corner to create that gradient. Keep it more saturated at the outer corner. You can also drag it out like this to make it like a wing or so. For this eye, again, I'm going to do the same thing. The problem in blending with finger is that it takes a lot of time, to be honest. Sometimes you do not have that kind of energy, guys. You just want it to finish very, very soon. That's how it should look. So what you're going to do, you're going to tight line your upper line. Take your kajal and drag it up like this. See the difference? See this line of your lower waterline? Follow this as a guide and try to follow this line upwards, okay? So this line, imagine a line going upwards from this. So moral of the story, do not try to draw eyeliner with your kajal pencil. Doesn't work. Kajol in your waterline. Just at the center. Just like that. Just a bit of a shine. And same thing this side as well. So what do you think? Mascara. If you have a lash curler, curl your lashes. I have made this video beginner friendly, so I haven't. So wriggle it up like that. It gives you nice length and volume. It's pretty impressive even without a lash curler. God, can you see that? Mascara also done, guys. Now moving on to the final and my most favorite step, that is the lipstick. And I'm so excited, guys, because it completes the look. Deep red, it will go well with this kind of, eye look, bold eye look. By the way, tell me later on if you want a tutorial on lip lining hacks. I usually do not prefer this kind of color, but I thought it would look very good with this kind of eye look. You can also apply some gloss at the center. It will give that plump look. Alright, final and the finalist step, that is highlighter on the cheeks. It's not a highlighter brush, to be honest. I don't know what it is. A very cheap brush, dupe of MAC, as you can see. Apply on your highest points. Let's reveal the final look.